So now I'm going to do the Unit 5 Test Corrections number 26. So for 26, there's three parts to it, A, B, and C. So for A, you have to find the measure of angle AOX, which is this half right here. To be able to find this little angle that's right here, you're going to want to find the central angle, which is this angle with these two sides and this one triangle. So to do that, you have to do the whole total degrees, 360, divided by how many sides. Since it's an octagon, there's four sides. So you do 360 divided by 4. Since it's an octagon, there's 8 sides. You do 360 divided by 8, and then you'll get 45 degrees as your central angle. So this big thing is 45. And then you have to divide that by 2 to get this little guy right here, which is 22.5 degrees. So for A, it'd be 22.5 degrees for the answer. For B, in the directions it says find each angle measure to the nearest degree, keep it 22.5. You're going to need that for the next problems. So to find OX, that's the apothem. To find the apothem, let's draw a picture. I'll make it vertical because that's how we usually see the triangles. 12 is the hypotenuse. That's 22.5. And to get X, you're going to want to, let me move that up. You're going to want to do a trigonometric ratio, cosine, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So the cosine 22.5 is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then we'll do cosine 22.5. Since 12 is on the bottom, you have to multiply by 12 on each side to get X alone. I forgot that step. 12 times the cosine of 22.5. And you get 11.1. Yes, 11.1. You round that to the nearest tenth, so 11.1. So B, the apothem, is 11.1. And then now, to find the area, you have to do 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. To get the perimeter, you do one side length times how many sides there are. To get the side length, we can refer back to this picture. Now, this is our X. So you're going to want to do sine. Then you're going to do the sine of 22.5 is opposite over hypotenuse. So 12 times the sine of 22.5. So that's just half of the one side. So to get the full side, you have to times that by 2. So that's one side is the 9.1844 yada yada yada. Now to get the perimeter, you have to times that by 8 since it's an octagon, and you get 73. We'll say around to the nearest 10, 73.5. So for the equation, 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter, 73.5. And after that, the area equals 1/2 times 11.1 times 73.5. And you get 407.9. No, to the nearest square meter. 408 meters squared. So for C, the area is 408 meters squared. For B, it's 11.1. And then for A, it's 22.5. That's how you would do 26.